So you've cleared the Windows Update cache in Windows 7, but you're still having problems with Windows Update? Hi, my name is Evan. I'm from the Micro Center Tech Support Department. Today we're going to take a look at part 2 of our Windows Update troubleshooting series, which is installing the update manually from a download on the Microsoft website. Let's go ahead and take a look.
Okay, let's take a look at part 2 of our Windows Update troubleshooting. We'll start by going into the Start button in the bottom left corner of the screen. Once that opens up, just above that Start button, there should be the Search Programs and Files box here. Go and click in there, type in Windows Update. Up towards the top, Windows Update should appear. Go ahead and click on that. Once this opens up, we're going to want to get the KB number, or the Microsoft assigned ID number for the article itself. It typically does begin with KB. It may display here if there's a specific error message. It will say that the article or item KB, etc., cannot be installed properly. If that's the case, you just want to write that down. Otherwise, we'll go into the important updates here and we can grab it from here. So if you look, there's a Windows malicious software removal tool, and the KB number shows up here towards the end in parentheses. So what I'm going to do is to go and open up a notepad. You can see again, go to the Start button, type in notepad, and it'll open up here. And I'm just going to copy that down. So KB890830. And we'll just double check, make sure that's right, and it is. And we'll go ahead and highlight this here by clicking and dragging, right click, and then choose copy so it is on our clipboard. At that point, we'll go ahead and open up Internet Explorer. You can go to Google or any search engine to do a search for this. In this case, we're going to use the Bing search engine here. That seems to be the home page. We'll go and right click in this area and choose paste, and then we'll do a web search. Now what you'll have typically towards the top is the Microsoft.com web page for that download. You will want to make sure that it does say www.microsoft.com. If it does not, then you could be going to a third-party website and you may actually be downloading something that could harm your computer. So you want to be certain that you are going to Microsoft.com. In this example, we can see the download is here, and there's a download link here. What we'll do is we'll go ahead and click on the page. On this new page, and I'll go ahead and full screen it here. If you go down towards the bottom, there is a download link here. We're going to want to go ahead and hit download on this page. In some cases, you may have to validate the system as a legitimate version of Windows, at which point it's just a small application to install and run from Microsoft to validate. It'll provide instructions on the screen for that process. Once you hit download, we'll just go ahead and hit run in this case, and then we'll wait just a moment here as it downloads. We'll go ahead and speed up this time for you. And now coming back to it, you can see the file finishing up here. Once it gets to the end, it will copy the file over, and then it will start to run the application. It'll prompt you for permission here at the beginning. You want to go and hit yes or allow to continue. It will copy some files over, and then it may take a moment for the file to load. You can see here there is a license terms. Go ahead and read over these license terms, and then click on I accept. Check that box, and then go ahead and hit next. In some cases, as with this application we're installing here, there may be some additional steps to go through. Go ahead and follow any instructions that show up on the screen there. In this case, it did need to run a scan of the computer in order to finish the Windows Update. Now that that file is successfully installed, that should resolve any Windows Update issues. You can go back to updating your computer normally. If not, you may need to manually install some other Windows Updates. Otherwise, there may be some additional options. If you need more information or additional help, you can visit our website at www.microcentertech.com. Thanks for joining us.